Welcome back to my channel. Guys. You see, this is a lot of profits. We are catching up with what a profit more in trade. Welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know, that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash index and step index. So guys, today I'm back with another strategy on step index. So guys, don't worry, I'm going to provide you this settings for free. So what you just need to do is to watch this video to the end, and I'm going to provide you how this particular strategy works and how you can keep on downloading a lot of dollar in trading step index. So guys, this is the charts. As you can see, I'm on step index 5-minute time frames, and all you need to do is to apply these two windows on your charts, and you are going directly to catch up a lot of profits in the market. You see exactly when I enter this particular market, and you see what I'm catching right now. So guys, if you're watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop another video. So we have our Telegram group, guys. You can also join our to update you to keep on checking for updates on boom and crash index. You see that? So guys, let me show you exactly how this strategy works, and before I show you the settings on my channel, you see, what you need to do is to apply this particular two indicator together, and that is where you are going to be finding an accurate time for you to trade successfully in step index. Guys, I will advise you guys that you should use this strategy on 5-minute time frames, because it works more better and accurate on 5-minute time frames. So guys, what you are going to do, this is your window 1, and in our window 1 we have our take profit of 50, and we have our level of 15, and we have our fault of 85. But mainly when you want to catch a sell entry, you are going to be checking out a 85 level at this particular area. And when it comes to your second indicator window, which is the second one here, you are going to be watching over your 100 level at this particular area. You see, your 100 level is going to be meeting up with an upper band here, which is the blue 9 that you see here. It's going to be meeting together, and you are going also to be having the same confirmation on the first window. Then this is the right time for you to enter this particular trade and take a lot of cash in trade. Now, if you want to enter a buy entry with this same strategy, all you need to do is to check out your 15 level at this particular area, and you are going to wait for this second window to also accurate with your 10 level, which is going to cross above a lower band, very small. It's going to cross above it in a little place. Then you are going to find an entry at this particular area, and you are going to keep on downloading the profits in the trade. So this is exactly what I'm doing, guys, and I'm downloading a lot of daily profits with this particular strategy, guys. As you can see what I'm doing now, you see, you need to wait for this particular entry, which is going to be above 85 level, and you're also going to wait for that particular level to meet up with an upper band in 100 level. Exactly, this is the right time for you to enter this particular trade and keep on downloading a lot of profits in the trade. So guys, as you can see now, I'm downloading a lot of profits. Each trade is about $49, and I'm taking up to like $500 with this strategy. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy. On indicator window 1, we have our oscillator at this particular area. We have our K period to be 1, and we have our D period to be 1. We have our slowing to be 1. We have our price feed to be low high. We have our method to be simple, and we have our style to be in our color of our background. You see, these two colors, you must need to put it in your background color. So if you are using black color, make sure these two colors are also in black color. So I have different level here which you need to understand, and also you are going to be taking our 50 as our take profits 1, and we are going to be taking our 80 as our sell area, sell zone. You see, you need to understand this particular area. This is our sell zone, and our 15 is going to be our what, our buy zone. So once you are done with this, then you can easily press on what, on done. So that is exactly what you need. And also we have our moving average. We have our moving average on our indicator window 1, which is the period of 2. We have the shift of 0, the methods to be simple. We have apply to close, and we choose this as our black color. Just screenshot it. I don't want this video to be too long. Then we have another moving average again. The period is 1, shift of 0, methods to be simple, apply to close, and we have our style in this color. Then you press on done. Then now let's move to indicator window 2, which we are having our relative strength index. This is our relative strength index, the period of 1, apply to close. We have our style in white color. Don't forget, this is the color of our background. And also we have different level here, where we are having our 100, we have 10, and we have 50. Don't forget, our 50 is always our what, our take profit 1. And also, if you don't want it to take it at the take profit 1, you can also set your what, your 60 level as what, as take profit 2. It all depends on what, how you want it to be set. You see that? Then our 10 level is going to be on our what, on our buy zone area. You see that? It's going to be our buy zone area. You see? So don't forget that. And we are going to be having our 100 as our sell zone area. Don't forget that. So that's exactly what you need to do. Then you will press on done. So now you are going to be having another strategy, which is going to be envelope, and we are going to be having our period to be 75. We are going to be having our shift to be 0, and we are going to be having our divisional to be 0.900, and we are going to have our method to be simple. We have apply to close. We have the upper band and the what, and the lower band. You see, this is the two main important area you need to what, to understand, and we have it there. And you are going to be pressing on done. Then we have our last strategy here, which is going to be moving average. We have the period of 1, we have the shift of 0, we have methods to be simple, we have apply to close, and we have our style to be in red color, guys. So this is exactly what I'm telling you guys. Then you can press on done. So by doing this, you will have the same strategy on the way I have it here on my chart, and keep on downloading a lot of cash. So guys, if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next I drop another wonderful strategy like this. And also, you can also join our Telegram group for more updates on boom and crash index and what, and other index. Thanks guys.